How do algorithms predict NBA player props? Imagine trying to guess how many points a player will score in a game. Now think about doing that for hundreds of players across many games every day. That's where algorithms come in. They help predict player performance by analyzing tons of data from past games and current conditions. These algorithms look at things like how many points, rebounds, or assists a player has averaged recently. They also consider the team they play for, the opponent's defense, and even whether the game is at home or away. They gather this data from official NBA statistics, sports databases, and betting lines from sportsbooks. Once they have all this information, the next step is called feature engineering. This means picking out the most important variables that influence how well a player might perform. For example, a player's shooting efficiency, how often they use the ball, or how they perform against certain defensive matchups. Then, the algorithms run simulations called Monte Carlo simulations. These run thousands of hypothetical game scenarios, each with slightly different outcomes based on probability. This helps capture the randomness of sports and gives a range of possible results. Machine learning models are also used to find patterns in the data. These models learn from past results to improve their predictions. They can spot trends like a player's recent hot streak or cold streak and compare their projected stats to sportsbook lines. The goal is to find where the algorithm's prediction differs from what the sportsbooks are offering. That difference can be a good betting opportunity. In simple terms, these algorithms turn complex data into easy-to-understand predictions about whether a player will go over or under a certain number of points, rebounds, or assists. They help bettors make smarter choices by showing the likelihood of different outcomes. Instead of just guessing based on gut feeling or averages, bettors can see the numbers and decide if a bet is worth making. These predictions are based on solid data and advanced computer models, making sports betting more precise and less about luck. So, when you see a player prop line, remember that behind the scenes, algorithms are crunching numbers to give you the best possible forecast of what might happen in the game.